Well, who actually calls the towing company? I mean, a towing company can't just look around and pick up a car. Somebody has to notify a towing company. How does that work?
So it depends, because we've all heard of roam towing, which is sometimes the towing companies come and they'll come to an apartment complex and they'll roam around and see if you've got the proper signage on your cars. But usually you have to have a sign up warning about roam towing. But then a lot of times it is the businesses calling to have the tow trucks come if there is a car parked in an improper fashion and they need to have it moved. What do you think about that, Jason?
Yeah, it can be, like you said, one of two things. It can be the company calling in and saying, there's a car here that's taking up 3 parking spots and we need it moved. Or it can be a situation where the business has a contract with a towing company, and the towing company has the right to come onto the property and look for vehicles that are improperly parked. And this, for instance, if you've got a restaurant that is open only till 9 o'clock at night and it's right next to a place that people tend to go at night, like a bar, and the towing company comes into that parking lot, and they know that anyone that's parked there is obviously not there for the restaurant, they must be somewhere else. They just tow the vehicle away. And as long as the business has the proper signage and the proper notice on their property, that's completely legal to do. But where you run into the problem is if you don't have signage at every entrance, you don't have signage that is close enough to the right-of-way, you don't have signage that complies with the rules and regulations under the statute.